Hi. Yeah, I'm still here. I'm still here somehow, some way. It's been a while. It's actually been since August of last year since I've actually posted a video here. A lot's happened. Um, we rearranged my room. I bought a new car. Yeah. Um, I also got fired in the same day I bought that car. Story of my life. Um, a lot's happened, and it's left me in a weird place of pondering my future, of what I want to do in life. And one of the things I know for sure is I still want to create. I still want to give you guys content. I still want to do stuff that I'm passionate about. Only problem is the market for comic book creators is so saturated. There is any and everyone with an opinion that has a YouTube now, whether it be good or bad. They have something on here for everyone, and it's kind of put me in a position of, what am I going to do? And I bought this car for the sheer purpose of enjoying spirited drives, right? That's something I've wanted to do for a long time. And now I have this little GoPro 8 to be exact. I just, need a mount, extra battery, and an SD card. We'll get to that. We'll get to all of that. What I want to do is I still want to create stuff for here. I still want to give you guys videos. So what I'm doing is what is called Project RC. We're going to take my new to me 2015 Lexus RC 350 F Sport and make it into the best daily driver possible. Now, keyword in that is project. This is not going to be an overnight thing. This is going to be a long time coming. So what we're going to do before then, we're going to enjoy while it's stock, baby. We're going to do some back road driving. We're going to do some POV drives, hence the GoPro. Now, I'm going to tell you guys right now, I cannot promise that these videos are going to be good. I can't make you that promise. I can at least say these first two videos, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to put the camera on my head and I'm just going to drive. I'm just going to find a back road and we're just going to enjoy it. We're going to enjoy it. We're going to drive around and just figure out as we go. Maybe find some hidden gems around here. Maybe, hit the river road. Maybe take to some car meets. Maybe. God, maybe. I do want to make stuff here. And then you might be wondering, well, Brian, what about the comic book stuff? What about the nerdy shit? If you watch the POV videos, at the end of those videos, I'm going to ask either anime, comic book, or just a nerd question. And we can go into discussion from there. These are just early ideas. I am very open to suggestions. I will say this month there will be three videos. This one and two POV drives. So three videos in total. And I hope throughout the year I get to do more. Maybe meet some new people, maybe get sponsored. Because unfortunately, I'm gonna have to start making money from this. As much as I don't want to. I've been doing this for 10 years. I've been doing it for free. I have bills to pay and it's not getting cheaper out here, so we're gonna have to just start making money. Granted, it's not gonna mean I'm gonna go say, some wild shit like women shouldn't be flunked. I'm not that guy. Y'all know me. Look at the shirt. It's Magneto. He was right. Come on, you know me. But at the end of the day, I still want to make content. I still want to give you guys some fun stuff, some laughs, some joy, something in this miserable world that we're in right now. So hopefully you guys join me on this journey as we figure out whatever the hell I'm doing and have fun doing it, I guess. So see you guys soon.